foolishly, Jimmy Kwanso will sit underwater running without using it for anything. Thinking they are mocking the president and the party. The money that is.
Ye nuabema ye papa ye bibia ye council trot papa yi wo ye obi a wo kire na dwen wo nsem bebre hu wo sha ase na kyese aware sem de na kyese obi anim se wo de kofa relationship de ya ene efutu no wo bema wo pa na no ene ma nkofo adinim ne yie pa na mom da no na nkofo eteme ne se wo ye controversial isanse enipa nyina ede ko nifa no na wo de ne de ato benkum mu nyina mo de akọ benkum no wo de ne de ebetu nifa edu ba bi a ne nsem bi a ya wo ka no wo tie ne yie a wo se papa ya semi aba wom yie papa edu ba bi so de ne na as a counselor nsem ni wo ha wo huniti ne wo hunu nan nyeso ni nyina mu no we de hye prekope enei ede asem na ye papa ede aba ye papa council trot na wakopie mu e wasiye wakopie mu wasiye ko asiye ne nsem hyena apo ne nkosua ne nyom ede na council trot akopie mu wasiye a wokoye na asem tia ne se ye nyina ye be kai yare a aba wiase nyina ma bia be piem Ghana ha enu nti ahokyera aba amanfo nkwa adwuma na omodidi mpo kaya yofo a nka omokoso a de obesoa no ebidensa beka na saada no de bi to aduane di wo mo ye labor by day for enyina egude mu sanse amampani ene ne mpani for amampani ne mpani for de aba se sabi enipa ne nipa edi nhyiemu a ane ye spread yare ne tsa na be de a obia enhye ba bi o hye ne ye trafi na amampani ne mpani for san kwotana asedwen ho no se amanfo no atifie di a sabi amanfo rent dan amanfo tua electricity bill tua water bill na omko hye da mi a omko adwuma ombeye den edidi mpo na ayeden ama omu no ombeye da tua saa bill ene edi kan kosi ada etwa mu no amampani de baaye tai water nsu a nka obia etua ka na Ghana fo amu de mubu pipe aban nsu no aboso miensa da yanim no momfa mo bia entu ahwe omampani de saa news yi ba ye pe ene ne behwe Ghana fo sabi ye bibia ase ye obi bibia ye de ya agoro sabi yare coronavirus ya okwa ma hodo obi so te se China sha se fi ye oba Italy Spain US a day yetumi sesa nipa over 500 na omo awu ne akwhye won ne asesa adechia ne asesa over 500 nipa wo na omo awu no ebepi Africa tito Ghana de ye de aye concert ye de aye agudie chance yente ne say a day nipa 10 ewumi asesa homko ana a day nipa 20 ewumi asesa homko eno nti Ghana for e de aye agudie omampani de betu dwa say yemfa nsuo ehoka enye yemfa wabra yenye adwuma de ne yenye sika ane de atuaka no yemfa saa nsuo no obefa hoka nti mama obia otua nsuo kabia entua nsuo no mama obia entua nsuo no na ebeto odwa pene ne Ghana force o ene mama ye ntua de a yebebu agu ene obehu wei na wafa bucket na obu nsuo na wahwe agu ne ho obehu wei na akokoto pipe ase na wabie pipe na si ne so abie nsuo na agu a ti say oye omampani sanso omampani say ye free dia ene san de tie de no omubu agu na so obekai obehu say baby a ifi no sesabi eye tank bi negu mu de mo a obugu no ohu say esa wo mu say source bi ena nsuo no epie fi ba wonim say de mo a obugu no na fe na pump no ebe pompe bebre eno ena cancel to tana se dwen ho a no se da bi de omanfo no ye no eye nsenhunu eye ebufusem na monkai ho say omampani so obefa ho ka enye omampani ni botom sika ana na busuafo na yere bi sika na okofa na emom eye ya ye sweat ye taxes no ena omampani edi betu asa ka no enti de mo amu bugu no na kese de mo na yen ye beboka enti na tie de awakogine se ye no wabodua sa mo amaye sa niam ni bi dadare osere na nanom bonifache wasrama mo na emom wo wuni mu afiti ne ya obo sa adua yi obeye bi no owo mefaw cancel trot anamuntu a watui wadwen kire e wo ho ne sa video na to aso mo menhwe na yen kire ya adwen yewi a ye kosa
has come in the land. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, now I ask for forgiveness for the people who are misbehaving. What misbehavior? His Excellency has decided to give us water 3 months for free. And I see a lot of people on social media foolishly, Jimmy Kwanso will sit underwater running without using it for anything. Thinking they are mocking the president and the party. The money that is paying for the 3 months water is not from the president's pocket. It is our sweat. It is our own money. The more you waste, the higher we will spend. His Excellency, please forgive those. But I declare, whoever has done that before this prayer, you are forgiven. From a fierce Schwarzenegger, who can speak without closing the tap. I saw a picture of somebody that is written in front. Maybe it's alleged. Some guy of the organizer of a NDC party. All those ones I see. Some people were sitting in bowls, opening water. I say after this video, I open a graveyard for you who are playing nonsense in the country to come and enter. I invite death to your doorstep. Anybody that will take advantage negatively to misbehave towards this time we are in. Prayer, we have to show people where power lies. Death, welcome them in this grave. We will give them private burial. I open tombs here. Death, take those who are misbehaving in our country. Let the country be sanitized spiritually. Above all, protect our wives. Protect our children. From today, if you go on social media and you have nothing to say, either you shut up. Those of you who like nonsense, somebody is wasting water and you are saying that's a good thing. Let me tell you from today, yesterday has passed. After 12 o'clock it ended. But after 12 today, death has been axed with the axe, cut, pull down, kill, show power in this country. Elsewhere, whoever is enjoying free water in Ghana and you are misbehaving, may the Lord cause you to be dehydrated. Your water will not be sufficient for you, even though your tap is running. Anybody who have done it will say, Lord, forgiveness have come. We ask for forgiveness on their behalf. But any new person, we will not ask for forgiveness. Vengeance is yours. Lord, it is our money. May the sweat out of my body dropping down on this tomb of this noble woman. Let the sweat out of my body falling in this oil mixed with blood and water. Let it continue to bring us life. I touch all presenters in Ghana. So I dip my hand into the mixture. Put it on my head.